Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or the Google Play Store. So as you can see, all the apps load here, but if we press on any app and select install, it won't install, it will be pending forever. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings. Then find the system, go to date and time, and from here enable use network provided time. Now if we go back to the Google Play Store and select the app, it should start downloading. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.